Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over context items. You might be asking, what is a context item? Context item is Heartland's way of allowing you at the modifier/ingredient section to be able to choose like on the side or easy or light on this. You can also do no or add, and you can also use it as multipliers. So let me show you an example. So we're going to go into taco, and we're going to choose taco so we can look at the modifiers. If you notice the ingredients here in this modifier, got 3 little dots. When you see that, that means there's context items attached to this ingredient. So if you press and hold your finger on it, it'll give you the option. Now, depending on how yours is set up, everybody's location is different. I set these up in the back end. If you need to know how to do that, please see my other videos. But on the back end, I put on the side, I put light, and then I choose some multipliers here. So for example, if I want to do on the side, I do that and it'll put that lettuce on the side. Now if I want to undo that, I just tap on it again and it'll unhighlight it. Now if I do a multiplier, then it'll do 2 times. And if you program it right, it should give you extra prices if you want it to. So it'll charge the correct amount for the extra lettuce. And of course, you can do that for the 4, the 3, so on and so forth. That is how you use context items. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.